Hi, thanks for tuning in. In our EMYoga practice today, we're going to start in a standing position. If you prefer, you can do in a seated position, the wake up routine, or even lying down if that is your preference. So I'm going to start in a standing position and we're going to do the wake up routine to activate our energies and help our energies to start moving forward and in the right direction. So you're going to find the collarbone, and just on the hollow under the collarbone, under the indentation, you're going to start thumping, tapping or massaging this point. And if you don't feel like it's the right thing for you to touch this point for any reason, you can also thump on the field. This is the end of the kidney meridian K27. You're going to breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth 3 times. One more breath. Next thump is on the center of your chest. This is the thymus gland. You're activating this gland, the thymus gland, for activating your immune system. So inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. 2 more breaths. Next, on the side of the rib cage, the end of the spleen meridian. 2 more breaths here. This is for activating the immune system and to assimilate food, thoughts, and emotions. Now, this is the last thump on your cheekbones, under your eyes. This is the first point of the stomach meridian, goes all the way to your feet. And this is for grounding your energies. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. 1 more breath here. And shake your arms and stay in stillness for just a moment so you can notice how you're feeling and notice your energies. Just in silence. Now we're going to march in place, same hand, same knee, just so we can catch up with our energies if for some reason they are running homolateral. And what we want is to cross our energies from one side of our bodies to the other. So you're going to start crossing, opposite hand to opposite knee. This is an exaggerated walk. This is for us to cross the energies for more health, for more vitality, and for coordination. You can touch your feet if you would like a little bit more exercise on your legs as well. And then we're going to shake our hands and shake our legs. Great. And just stay in stillness. We're going to bring our hands in front of our pubic bone and we're going to do the zip up now. So from the pubic bone all the way to the mouth, arms go up above the head and down to the side. Think about an affirmation, or you're going to think about an intention for your day or for your practice today. Something like, I am healthy, I love myself, or I love life. Hands go from the pubic bone as you think about this affirmation, all the way to the mouth. Arms go all the way up and down to the side. Twice more. Inhale up. Exhale down. And once more. Breathing out through the mouth because it's an EMYoga breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth, to eliminate excess energy that we build up in the body. Now we're going to do the hooking up the center meridian that we just traced with the governing meridian that runs behind our back. So the middle finger, one on your navel, the other one on your third eye between your eyes. Inhale, exhale, you're gonna press in and up slightly. Inhale deeply, exhale, press in and up. Inhale deeply. Exhale, press. And stay in stillness for just a moment. Roll your shoulders back and away from your ears. And we just did the wake up routine. Great. Now you're going to bring your arms all the way up into a V, heavens rushing in. Feel the energies of heavens, of the universe flooding your body. Give thanks for this moment. Give thanks for your life. And you're going to Celtic weave, figure 8 all the way down to the floor now. Feel your body. You don't need to touch the floor. Have your knees slightly bent.
Neck is relaxed, back is relaxed. This is for forward bend. Very good to release tension from your back, neck, head. And also, it's very calming. It calms the nerve system. We're going to go up now, bringing your hands on the outside of your big toe, inner side of the feet. We're going to trace the spleen meridian. So bring your hands from the outside of your big toe, inner side of the feet, all the way to the ankle bone, coming in, inner side of the leg, past the groin, side of the body, past the armpit, and massage on the side of the body, or thump if you prefer. This is the end of the spleen meridian. So you're strengthening the spleen meridian, so important for the immune system. We're going to do this twice more. Inhale, arms go up, give thanks, figure eight all the way down to the floor. Stay here for one breath and trace the spleen meridian as you come up.
Massage the sides. Inhale, arms go up, give thanks, figure eight all the way down to the floor.
And from here now, we're going to bring our hands to the floor. Knees are on the floor as well. Knees are hip distance apart, hands are right under the shoulders. If you feel pain on your wrist, you can make fist with your hands. So the cat-cow, just point the toes. Inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, look down and round. Inhale, look up and arch. Exhale, look down and round. This is a very short practice. You can do this for as long as it feels good to you. But we're going to stop for now. Tuck your toes in. Push through your hands, downward dog. Neck is relaxed. Feel your body. Release any tension. You can walk the dog. You can move the dog. Or you can stay in stillness, whatever feels better for you. And we're going to go back into cat. Point the toes. Inhale, look up and arch. Let's come back to downward dog if that feels okay for you. Otherwise, extended child's pose. Neck is relaxed. Stay in stillness or walk the dog. You can bring one heel to the floor at a time. And bring the knees to the floor again. Point the toes, look up and arch, coming back into downward dog or extended child's pose. Arms are straight, neck is relaxed. Feel the body, feel the stretch. And bring your body down again. Point the toes, and we're going to go into extended child's pose now. Feel that stretch, breathe deeply. Coming to your belly now, cobra or sphinx if that feels better for your back. Breathe deeply, feel your body, release any tension, jaw is relaxed. And then you're going to bring your body all the way down to the floor. Bring your hands, palm of your hands up, touching the forehead, or palm of your hands down with the back of your hands on your forehead. And you're going to rock the hips from one side to the other. This is called the triple warmer rock. And this is to calm the nerve system. If you have the palm of your hands up, you're also touching the front neurovascular points on your forehead, bringing the blood back to your forehead. And you can just stay in stillness for just a moment and feel the energy flooding your body. It's a great movement to calm the nerve system. Bring your hands under your shoulders again. Looking up, cobra. And you're going to go into extended child's pose. And slowly coming back to cat. And coming to a comfortable seated position. You can find something to bring under your buttocks. I have a yoga block here, but you can have a folded blanket, folded towel, or even a yoga mat or a cushion. And you're going to just roll your shoulders back and away from your ears. Stay here for just a moment. Bring your hands into EMYoga, all the fingers together, the thumb on your heart center, and the index finger on the hollow on your throat. Breathing deeply. Stay here for a moment and feel your body.
Give thanks for this moment, for life, and for all there is. Arms go up above your head into V. Heavens rushing in, figure 8, all the way down. Bring your hands on your heart center. Think about something that makes you happy. And you can open your eyes. Thanks for joining this video today, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.